Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can discover trending hashtag and challenges or trend on TikTok. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve, or you want to stay updates on what's currently trending on TikTok, this is what you are going to do. First, you can open your TikTok apps, and then you can click on the search column at the top right here. And then you can find this create search insight as the keyword, and you'll find this tool by TikTok. So by using the creator search insight, you can see what TikTok users are searching for and get inspired to create the new video. So you can just click on view, and as you guys can see here, if you scroll down, there will be this suggested and trending. If you want to know what's currently trending, you can just click on the trending tab, and it's also divided by a few categories. For example, if you are a gamer, you can click on this gaming options, but if you are a foodies, you can click on the food and know what's currently trending on TikTok. But if you want to know or you want to get inspiration, you can go to the suggested in here, and here you can find what's are the other creators searching for or create now. You can see this statistic. If there is the right mark in here, that means that this keyword or this content is now on trending, or it's rising up. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.